Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a big chocolate slab basically. Basically it's a big slab of chocolate with Maltesers and M&ms in the middle. Because I love Maltesers and I love M&ms. And this is a bar of chocolate. It's like the size of my arm. It's so big. So we need this. We need a bowl so we're going to put it in, microwave it, and put it in this. And spread it out. So let's get making. Yeah. Now I get my bowl and I get my big chunky heavy chocolate bars and I'll break down 2.5 for the first one to go and see how it goes from there. See, that is 2 big bars and a half in this big bowl. So here comes the fun part, the microwave bit to melt it down. Fingers crossed, I hope I don't burn it. It is in the microwave now, so I'm just hoping I don't burn it at all, because there's a big pile in there. I'm doing this for the fun of it. Yeah. I started watching Barry Lewis's giant sweets and stuff. I was like, I want to try something giant, so I was like, yeah, let's do this. So yeah, this is my first giant experiment. So I'm hoping it goes well. I hope it does. It's been for 1 minute. It is slowly starting to melt. Here's the breakfast for you. You know, I really hate waiting. I'm really impatient. Yeah, it has been 2 minutes and it's finally starting to melt. Still really thick though. Now it's like a big giant chocolate soup. I think give it another microwave because they're quite severely thick. There you go, it's a bit more runnier now. Yay! I think I'll give it another couple of seconds in the microwave. Still quite thick, but it's like half thick, half runny. Yeah, that's better. More runnier now. And here comes the best bit. When I lay it down in the baking... I can't even speak. I'm trying to sound intelligent, but I'm not intelligent. I just put it down smoothly on the baking sheet. This should be fun. Then I've got another 2 bars and a half chocolate to go and repeat the process. Yay! It's still quite fun. This is quite fun. I've spread chocolate like this before. See a lot in videos, but when you do it, it's like, oh, it's quite fun. like painting chocolate. I'm just painting a picture of some chocolate, yeah. While that's setting for a little bit, it's time to repeat the process all over again. And the first bit really took about, let's see, 4 minutes to fully melt. So as solidifying, I put the rest in, and then while that's in there melting, I put the middle bits in, which are the Maltesers and m&ms. Delicious. Don't know why I did that far. I'm just really weird. I get the bowl again, and then yeah, it's still some chocolate on it, but still same process. Yeah, now I've got chocolate again. It's like repeat. I'm pretty sure I've did this before. Oh well. Time to shove it in the microwave. While that's in the microwave, it's time to put in the Maltesers and the m&ms in the middle part. Yay! Yep, yep. I feel like doing sweetie cake all over again. Now that the middle is done, it looks so pretty. Here's the second lump of chocolate. You can tell, still got bits and lumps in it. And that's been 3 minutes. Wow. Here comes the waiting part again. I just don't like waiting at all. I'm still Mr. Impatient. Yeah. Now that it's done, I'm going to put that in the fridge, which is just down here. Now it's in the fridge. We're going to wait for like an hour or something and see if it's ready. That's my first time making something like this. I've never done anything like this before, so yeah, it'll be quite good in my first try. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I can always try and try again. Yeah, so I left it for a couple hours, about 3 hours. I was kind of just lying on my bed watching Netflix, and yeah, you can see I've got bags under my eyes already. Well, yeah, I'm slightly tired. So let's see how this has worked out. And would you look at that? It's actually worked. Like big, look how thick it is. That's how it's nice and smooth on the other side. This side you can see the bits of Maltesers. It's like, well, it's a big thick slab. Quite heavy as well. So I could say this experiment was a success. That's how tired I am. This experiment was a success. Should I eat all this by myself? Or should I cut it up into pieces and have a piece every other day? Or give it to other people? Decision. No. So that's what today's video is. I just made a big slab of chocolate. Yeah, big giant slab of chocolate, to be honest. Big, giant, and thick. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you want to check out my other cooking stuff, click up here, and there'll be a playlist for my foods playlist if you just want to watch that. So, anyway, have a good evening or have a good day, depends what time you watch this at.